Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a question that plagues many of us in the personal finance realm. Are you tired of Mint? Let's face it, Mint was a hero. It was the app that brought organization and clarity to our finances. But sometimes, heroes wear out their welcome. Maybe Mint feels clunky now. Maybe you crave more features, or perhaps privacy concerns have you spooked. Whatever the reason, you're ready to move on. But where do you start? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll walk you through the painless process of ditching Mint without losing your financial sanity. Step 1. Export your data, because knowledge is power. Before you hit the eject button, let's grab that valuable financial data you've entrusted to Mint. We don't want to start from scratch, right? Most budgeting apps, including Mint, allow you to export your transactions. This is usually a straightforward process. A quick search online for exporting data from Mint should do the trick. The exported file will likely be in a common format like CSV, which can be easily imported into your new budgeting haven. Step 2. Find your new financial BFF, aka budgeting app. Now comes the fun part, choosing your new financial partner in crime. There are tons of fantastic budgeting apps out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Here are a few popular options to consider. Inab. You Need a Budget. Inab takes a unique approach, focusing on budgeting with the money you've actually earned, not just what's sitting in your account. It's a bit more complex than Mint, but can be incredibly effective. Personal Capital. Personal Capital shines in the investment tracking department. If you're managing stocks, bonds, and other assets, it's a great option. Simplify by Quicken. This app boasts a user-friendly interface and strong budgeting features, making it a solid choice for beginners and veterans alike. Remember, the best app depends on your specific needs and preferences. Take some time to read reviews, watch demos, and even try out free trials before making your decision. Step 3. Set up your new app and import your data. Once you've chosen your champion, it's time to set it up. Most apps will guide you through a user-friendly setup process. Here's where that exported Mint data comes in. Import it into your new app, and voila! Your financial history is seamlessly transferred. Step 4. Break up with Mint cleanly, but decisively. Now, for the moment of truth, deleting Mint. Don't worry, it won't delete your financial data. You have that safely tucked away in your new app. Head over to Mint settings and find the option to delete your account. Follow the prompts, and boom! You're officially Mint-free. Bonus tip, automate your finances, because who has time for tedium? Now that you're rocking a new budgeting app, set up some automation features to save yourself time and frustration. This could include automatic bill pay, automatic transfers between accounts, or even automatic expense categorization. There you have it. You've successfully ditched Mint without losing your financial footing. Remember, managing your money should empower you, not stress you out. So, find an app that works for you, automate the mundane tasks, and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.